The first one is called the nose clearing exercise. And this is a little bit complicated, but this is what you do right before bed to help open your sinuses so that you can breathe easier with your mouth closed during the night. There are a number of steps, so I'm going to slowly explain the steps and then I'll show you what it looks like. So you're going to be breathing normally through your nose for a good minute, and then you're going to exhale a normal exhale. That means breathing out. You're going to pinch your nose, or at least stop breathing, and bob your head for as long as you possibly can. This is like a contest hold. This may be 30 seconds, it may be even 60 seconds. So you're going to bob your head while holding your breath after you breathe out. Then you're going to, when you get a strong urge to breathe, you're going to breathe in, and you're going to continue to breathe with your mouth closed for at least 30 seconds before you repeat. And then you're going to repeat that sequence for 6 repetitions right before bed, and that should really help eliminate any kind of mucus that's stuck up in your sinuses that may force you to breathe through your mouth while you're sleeping. So it looks like this, and I'm going to pinch my nose, but you just have to hold your breath. I'm pinching my nose just so that you can see what's happening. So I'm breathing in. So that's round 1. Points to remember is that it's a very intense breath hold. Your first breath will be like rushing in. Your next breath should be almost normal, and by the third breath you should definitely be normalized into your breathing pattern. You're going to wait 30 seconds, and then you're going to repeat that whole sequence once more. By the third time, you should be able to hear some kind of rattling in your sinuses, and then by the 6th time, your breathing should be completely clear. So that is the Buteyko method nose clearing exercise.